The bird personality test is not an effective assessor of personality, but more of just a fun way to reinforce your self-awareness. So hopefully you already know a little bit about yourself, and this just gives us another layer and added perspective from our concept of birds, at least the humanly understanding of birds. If you want to have a better gauge of personality traits with regards to career, try the Myers-Briggs Indicator or the MAPP Career Assessment. There are a bevy more career assessment tests that you can take in order to find that out. So once again, a huge disclaimer of the management roles that I will be introducing later on. Many of them are interchangeable and have overlapping job descriptions depending on the scale of the project or institution at play. It really depends on the organizational framework that we're participating in. And yes, the results of this particular bird test that you could take does not and should not determine the recommended careers. This test is basically a navigator to make better career decisions, or maybe to better adapt to your work settings. So, what exactly is the Dope Bird Personality Test? In 1928, Dr. William Marston wrote a book called The Emotions of Normal People. And within that, he presented a personality evaluate model called the DISC profile. Now, DISC is an acronym that stands for dominant, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. In some cases, we use compliance as well. But what started from a microcosm of a personality model then exploded into many more similar ones. Many people adapted this model to make their own. And one of them was Richard N. Stevenson. He wrote a book called The Dope Bird Personality Test. And basically, it just mirrors the DISC profile, but from the angle of birds. D stands for dove, O stands for owl, P, peacock, and E, an eagle. And they're quite similar because you can have the dominant eagles, influential like a peacock, steady like a dove, and conscientious like an owl.